Okay, guys, well, we all seen the gaming setup, right? There's a lot going on here. I have video game systems. I don't even know what they're called anymore. There's a lot of stuff there. This room is a storage room, basically. There's my dog asleep over there. And we are about to open these bad boys up, like I said earlier. I got 3 items here, and let's check it out, because these are going to be as... Try and get this camera set up right. And let's see what we got here. I'm going to start from smallest to biggest. That one should be last. This one second. Let's start off with this one. Alright, this is dalstrong. This knife right here has basically it has a fork built into it. It's called the Pitmaster knife. As usual, packaging is amazing. Earnhardt edition. Stickers, as usual, dalstrong. Look. This is a sheath case, very nice, included. Awesome. Magnet / pin, very cool. And this is what we really want to see. Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah, even better than I thought. Oh, look at that. Like I said, built-in fork to pick your meat up off the grill. Beer opener right there. Very nice. Beautiful. Oh yeah, even nicer than I thought it was going to be. No, this is cool. Oh wow. Put that right here. Oh wait, it's this way. My bad. There we go. So, in case you want to clip it on your side, there's a belt clip. I don't know if I'll be carrying this to the mall or anything, but yeah, this is amazing. Very nice. I was going to do a second video on my second haul from dalstrong, but one of my major items did not come. It was sold out, so this is going to be what would be my 3rd video, but it's now my 2nd video. But hopefully, they said that item will be available in June again, so hopefully I will be able to pick up that item again. Yeah, very happy with this. Well worth the purchase. Okay, next. Will be this bad boy. I almost want to save this for last, but I guess since we're going from smallest to biggest, this is a meat tenderizer. It's got some weight to it. This thing weighs like almost 5 pounds. Oh, I've been looking forward to this one. Oh man, right off the bat, I can tell. Oh jeez. More stickers. Wow. Alright, Thor. Could not have done better. Look at that. Jesus. meat tenderizer. Is that what we're calling this? I guess so. Wow, this is this is insane. Jesus Christ, look at this beautiful thing. Are you kidding me? Yep. I'll be doing some steak, some chicken. Oh my God. This is gnarly. Yeah. And it's heavy. Super heavy. Beautiful. Very stoked with this. Wow. Dude. Yeah. I'm speechless on that one. Very nice. Can't wait to use that. And last but not least, get these out of the way. Drop the sticker. Okay. Let's get these here. This one is basically, I don't know, we'll just say this is basically the baby version of this bad boy right here. That's the Big Daddy. So we'll just call this the baby version of that. What it's going to be called. So let's see here. This will be the actual blade. This is the stand. This one's wood. Nice. I like this. Okay, so we got here. It's got some good weight to it. Can already tell. Stickers, stuff like that. Lollies, pins, stickers. Man, the knife itself. Oh wow. Crazy, has like a string thing attached to it. Wow, this is heavy. Oh wow, it has like a lock. So that's what the string is. The lock comes out. I guess you put it in here. Maybe? No? No? Oh yeah, that's insane. Dude, that's big. Gladiator series is not messing around. Wow, this is heavy. Dude, this is nuts. That is a big, big knife. And obviously, there's a stand. Perfect. Look at that. Very cool for the collection. So, sum it up. Yeah, these two bad boys right there. nice. I love the wooden stand. This is cool. Super heavy knife. Obviously, we've all seen this one, which is just, yeah, it is that. Get in there. It's ridiculous, like I said. And this new one, very cool. Huge. Can't wait to cut up some steak, brisket, all that good stuff. So, sum it up. Got this bad boy. Very nice. This one's actually very lightweight. Has a nice light feel to it. You know, obviously the built-in fork. Very cool. Can't wait to do some barbecuing with that. And Thor's hammer. Yeah, I was really stoked about this one. It's just insane. Huge. Dude, it's so heavy. Very well made and crafted. Dude, this is nuts. I love it. Oh, man. Well, hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Lots of cool stuff here. Can't wait to put this stuff to use. I love it. Thanks for viewing. Have a good day, folks.